Code it now. Write a program in Python that picks a random number. Ask the user for the lowest possible number and then the highest possible number. Then have the program print out a random number between those two given numbers. Hint, don't forget to use str and int where needed. The output on Replit should look like this. Alright, so first let's map it out with comments. Get lowest num, get highest num, print random number. Alright, so let's print enter lowest number. Then we will save that. We'll call it low equals int input. Alright, so that's going to save the number they input as an integer. We'll do the same thing here for getting the highest number. Highest, and then we'll have a new variable called high. And then we're going to print it. So print, then we have to first import random. So up top on line 1, I'll say import random. Then down here we have random dot rand int. Now the lowest number is going to be low. The highest number will be high. Alright, so I closed all my parentheses. Let's run it. 1, 5. It prints it out. We actually want it to say, here is a random number between blank and blank. So we can say, here is a random number between. Now we're going to have to use str low instead of just putting low in there because that's an integer and we want to concatenate it into a string. So I have between the low number, then another quotes, a space, and then we have str high plus, so then we have the high number and then a colon and then we'll have the number. Oh, and actually we have these on two different lines, so we can make these two different print statements. So let's see. And then we have our colon, and then we'll have another print statement down here where we print out the random number. Alright, I think we have the correct number of parentheses. Let's try it. 1, 5. Here's a random number between 1 and 5, 1. So there we go. We've used the randint function.